watched constituencies, high-profile candidates, S.S. Ahluwalia, Shatrughan Sinha, on facing off each other. Joining me now, S.S. Ahluwalia, the BJP candidate. Sir, voting has progressed since morning. What's your initial assessment?
The initial assessment, there are here and there some issues are there, but still it is normal. But there is a lot of obstruction in the name of guideline, in the name of law and this and that. But that is not correct. That is not correct. The right interpretation and right, they should implement things in right spirit.
सर अब तक जो आप कह रहे थे कि कुछ ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन है, जो तस्वीर सामने आए हैं उसमें जितेंद्र तिवारी को रोकने की तस्वीर सामने आए, क्या इशू है? क्या आप उसे
जितेंद्र तिवारी को जो रोकने का इशू आया है वो गलत है, क्योंकि जितेंद्र तिवारी को जिस इशू पे रोका गया है एक्चुअली एक परमिशन देने का है। परमिशन दिया गया कि भाई इसको ये वर्कर लोग घूम सकते हैं और वर्कर लोग घूम सकते हैं किसी न किसी वर्कर को, और उसके लिए एक गाड़ी वो लोग परमिट किए हैं पर कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी, तो हमने दिया है। अब जितेंद्र तिवारी पांडेश्वर के फॉर्मर एमएलए हैं। 2016 से लेके 2021 तक वो वहाँ के एमएलए थे और 2021 में हमारे कैंडिडेट थे। वो डिफीट हो गई उनकी, पर वो वहाँ के कैंडिडेट थे, तो उनको हमने अपने प्रतिनिधि के रूप में और पार्टी वर्कर के रूप में वहाँ पर उस गाड़ी को दिया गया। अब उस गाड़ी को रोका गया, तो मैंने जब आरओ से बात की तो आरओ ने कहा कि अगर हम इस तरह से अलाउ करेंगे तो दूसरे ज़िले के लोग भी आ जाएंगे टू इन्फ्लुएंस दी वोटिंग पैटर्न। बट इन हिज केस ही इज वोटर ऑफ द सेम लोकसभा कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी and he was candidate and MLA of the same constituency, Pandeshwar Assembly constituency, and both the seat, I mean his residence and the Pandeshwar Assembly both falls in Asansol Lok Sabha in one district, that is West Bardwan. So there is no question of intrusion from other district. If he is living in the same district, then why he is not allowed? And there is no categorical mention of this in the guidelines, in candidates guideline handbook or in the RO's handbook. So now a new interpretation they have brought. I have drawn the attention of the Election Commission. Let us see what happens.
Sir, you're a candidate who's been elected from several seats, but you also have the record of pulling a rabbit out of the hat, literally. Whether it's Darjeeling or whether it's other seats, we'll just wait for a bit. As you can see, Mr. Ahluwalia is also getting calls in the war room as he conducts this election from his war room. And therefore, these calls will keep coming in between the interviews to see if there are any issues. But like I was saying, he's someone who's a veteran MP who's been in many seats, and who of course is someone who's very familiar with the election process, which is why he can pull it off from a war room like this. So what I was asking you is that you're known to pull a rabbit out of the hat, whether it's Darjeeling, whether it's the neighboring seat, but you've changed seats frequently and you managed to win. Are you confident of the same result this time, and how have you done it?
No, the point is that I don't want to wish or change. But it is the desire of the party that I should contest from this, because I always love to face the challenges. In my life, my motto is "ऐ ना खुदा, मुझे किनारों से ही दूर ही रखना, उधर ले चल जिधर से तूफान उठने वाला है." So I believe in that. So keep me away from the bank, river bank, take me to there where the storm is there. So they gave me always a challenging seat, and with the blessing of my guru and with my motto, Manu Sapon Taka Por Joto Paris Manus Dhar. So I have not come in politics to make money. I have come in politics to do Samaj Seva and to work for the people.
And I can't end the interview without asking you a little bit about your opponent. What do you think of him? He's a popular actor as well, and he's someone who has won this seat with a huge margin last time.
Look, by-election is normally, that cannot be a benchmark. It is always goes in favor of the ruling party. And second thing is, it is not a fight between two celebrities or two individuals. It is a fight between a general election. It is a fight between two ideologies. One is Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, Sabka Prayas, and justice to all, appeasement to none. And in other side, appeasement policy to a particular community, and appeasement policy to the goons and to the ruffians and to the collectors and to the commissioners, all these things. And they are making money out of it. That's why when they are saying that Bengal is poor, but when the houses of ministers are raided, thousands of crores were found in their chest. It is very unfortunate for the state. And this election is going to decide the dasa and disha of the nation.
Thank you so much, Mr. S.S. Ahluwalia, for speaking to NDTV. Thank you for your time on a busy day. All the best for your election.